Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It is another day in the Monkey Wrench Garage, and we got a big day ahead of us. I want to introduce you to my Crossfire. Maybe you've seen it. In fact, I've had a couple of people tell me about some great names. Maybe that I should name this. Nobody chose the best name of all, okay? What am I going to call the Crossfire? Chris. Chris Crossfire. Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus because you lift me up. Okay, here she is. You remember how much fun we had putting on the suspension and getting the locking lug nuts off of Chris? Chris Cross, you better jump. Yeah, okay. So anyway, yeah, that was so much fun. I do want to tell you I have a new fender. I have a couple of parts for the windshield. I have all the little inserts though for each of the wheels. Yeah, those aren't new, those came with the car. But I want to focus on the interior today. One, because it's kind of getting late, and two, because I just want to do something different. Usually I do the outside first, and then I do the inside. This is the door, and way back over there is a new door card. Okay, we seem to be missing a very important piece right here. We're missing a handle, so we're going to replace this. We're going to replace this horrible steering wheel, and then I have a couple of knobs that go right there, and then I have one of these that I hope works. I'm told it is the cup holder. I don't see how that holds cups, but we'll see how it goes. I just had a burp right there. I'm sorry. Hope I kept that inside for you. We're also going to try to address this in another video, but let's get started because removing the door panel. This is a Mercedes, okay, so this is super easy to do. A couple of T30s, okay, you've got a T30 right behind here, you can just pull off. There's a T30 in here, there's a T30 in here, right here, and there's one behind this. This little panel right here just pops off. Nothing behind this door, okay, there's nothing there, so don't be confused by that, but you do have to take this piece off, and some people take the end piece off, others slide this thing forward. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, let me get my tools and we're going to replace the door panel. All right, this is a super easy door panel to replace. You'll notice that right here, this little tweeter, it came out, so I just had to kind of pop it right back in here. And this, like on every Mercedes you have, this is a little hook. It slides in here. You pull the black part back, and the little wire goes right in there. And the first thing you do after that is you put on the doorknob. Put the doorknob through the hole. Okay, now all we have to do is get the top of this. There's a lip, and it's going to sit right in there. The lip will go on like this, okay, like that, and then the door simply snaps into place. You have all these little white tabs, they will snap into place. Super easy. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Now, for the piece de resistance, we got this little chrome piece that just kind of fits either this way or this way. I think it's going to be this way. And I don't want to break this because these are ka-ching. Look at that. Okay. Come on. There, click, 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 click. And, look how pretty. Now we got to get the SRS. And this is why I save all of the little pieces. Okay, because that came from the old door panel. The new one did not have it. And the old door panel had a broken speaker grill. Okay, so I was able, the new one had the broken speaker grill. So the old one, I just pulled it from there and put it on. So save all these little pieces until you're done. Okay, now all we have to do, these little end caps, two little tiny, teeny tiny torque screws right there. And then when I was taking this off, okay, this sits in there like this, and this is a little piece of plastic right there that goes in there, and it always breaks. Every time, every single time. So I've got to figure out a way to make that work. Maybe some Velcro tape or something. Okay, that's not a huge deal. Okay, we'll just kind of put it right there. We'll lick it and stick it. Maybe not. Okay, and let's put our little piece for the door latch. Okay, we're going to do that, and the door is complete. For my next magic trick, I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to replace. Look at that. Ooh, my finger too. Ooh, that's gross. Okay, I was able to get these new ones, well, new to me ones, from the junkyard. And watch, all you have to do is pull it off. Okay, then you make sure the little mark goes in the same place that it was, which it was, I believe, right there. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna look how much better, and then we're gonna take this one off, and we're gonna put this one on, and it's gonna click. See? Look, big. I haven't even cleaned in here yet, and this is looking very nice. What's up next? All right, this. I mean, I really could just get a steering wheel cover and cover that up, but I bought another steering wheel, and I need to find it so I can compare the two. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, yeah, look at my bin of parts here. Here's the steering wheel that I got. And it's not ripped, but it's not real pretty. So I think what I'm going to do is put a cover on it and then see if the cover's okay, while I see if I can work on this. I may try to get some dye. I've done this before with the steering wheels, and usually the dye goes on too thick and it looks fake. AKA Jaguar, AKA Mercedes. So we're gonna let this one rest right here. So you can sit right there. Let's go ahead and put our wheel covers on. Let's choose the best ones. That's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. And that's missing the thing. All right, the uglies are gonna have it. The uglies go on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay? Let's just do this. Come on. Look at that. Okay. Usually I put the nice ones on the driver's side. Oh, look. That little notch. There's a little notch, and it goes right there. See? That way you know it's better. So I got that one on wrong. Okay, let's put these on and we'll just kind of see. Okay. Notch, where's the notch? See the notch? Notch. There's the notch. We're gonna put this one on. There's the notch. Notch to notch. And there you go. So we gotta fix the last one. I do love the wheels on this car. I really do. They're kind of cool. They need to be cleaned. A lot. Okay. Notch. Notch. Wonder why they do that. There. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Okay, look how nice. Still can't open the door because of this, and I don't want to hurt the door. So our next video, I think, is going to be this right here. What else can I do on the inside? I do have a new washer bottle, which I think I need. I have the fog light covers. Parts for the fender that happens to be in my very spacious garage. And I think that's going to do it. I think, or should I just do the steering wheel? Because if I start, I'm not going to stop. And that might drive me cuckoo. But the other one looks just as bad. Okay, let me think about that. I'm going to clean this. I'm going to give it a quick little cleaning, and then we'll show you some before and some afters. Well, I consider thinking? Yeah, well, I think about that right there. Because replacing a steering wheel is easy. There's just two 27 bolts that go here and here. It holds the airbag on, and then there's like a T50 or some kind of a big bolt that holds the steering wheel on. Not a major deal, but let's clean this up, and then we'll see what we're going to do. Okay. All right, class, let's review what we have done so far. This is after we put the panel on. Still kind of wet right through here. I can still clean it a little more. That's the after. This is the before. Take a look. Yeah, big difference. I've got... Oh, hi, how are you?
301.
That's me. Oh, perfect. All right. Okay, Amazon guy just came by and dropped off some cables. Super nice guy. All right, let's take a look at the center console. Look, before, after, before. Big difference, okay? I think I am going to replace the steering wheel. Well, I think I should, since I have one and I've already bought it and it was like $20. I'm going to try to clean it up tonight, and then maybe I'll put it on tomorrow. But I did a little dusting, did a little cleaning right here, and I think she's looking really good. Okay, still can't open that door. We got to address the fender, and I got to figure out how I can get inside this little thing. See, it folds down, but it kind of stays, and then it goes. It'll pop up here in a second. It'll pop up. It'll pop up in a minute. Come on, do it, do it, do it. Do it, dude. Okay, well, it does. It just kind of pops up. That drives you crazy because you try to put your arm here for the stick shift, okay? But I think she's looking good. Not bad at all. So let's review what we've accomplished. Super easy video today. It's just working on the inside of the Crossfire. Yeah, jump, 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 yeah. Stroke of brilliance, absolute stroke of brilliance. This car is Crossfire. I do want to tell you that we spent, I don't know if you remember from the first video, I think it was $550 I won the auction for. Out the door, $875 for an 05 Crossfire. Slash Mercedes. It's okay. Yes, I think it's nice. So, there we go. Another video in the bank. In the vault. The bank, not making bank. I'm not making bank yet. I'm not making big time money yet, but I'm having fun doing what I'm doing. So please like, please subscribe, have a great day, and stay tuned for more on Chris Cross.